One of the greatest milestones on your journey to financial freedom is finally settling an old debt. However, millions of South Africans experience a massive shock when they pay off an old defaulted account, only to watch their credit score instantly drop. Today we are going to explore the mechanics of a paid-up default, exactly why this algorithmic drop happens, and the strategic way to handle your accounts so you are rewarded, not penalized, for doing the right thing. To understand this, we must look at how credit bureau algorithms weigh data. The system places the highest importance on your most recent financial behavior. This is tracked by something called the date of last activity. If you have a default from 2 years ago, its negative impact on your score has slowly faded over time. But the moment you make a settlement payment today, that date of last activity instantly refreshes to the current month, because the account still carries a negative default status. Even though the balance is zero, the algorithm reads it as a brand new negative event, causing your score to dip. This is where professional intervention becomes critical. Simply paying a debt collector does not automatically erase the adverse listing. To truly clear your profile, the status of the account must be legally challenged or correctly updated in accordance with the strict guidelines of the National Credit Act. Negotiating the removal of adverse listings simultaneously with your settlement requires precise, legally sound communication with credit providers. Handling this process alone without understanding the statutory requirements of the NCA often leaves consumers with a paid-up status that still locks them out of vehicle finance and home loans for years. You deserve to have your hard work reflected in an excellent credit score. If you are preparing to settle old accounts, or if you need an NCA compliant professional assessment to clear paid-up defaults that are currently holding you back, our team at FMS is ready to assist. Click the WhatsApp link in the description to secure your financial future. If this breakdown gave you a strategic edge today, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below.